Next, let's look at the following pattern. It uses several embroidery stitches here. There are chain stitch and basket weave stitch. Here we also have rose stitch and fishbone stitch. And here is fern stitch. Let's take a look at the stitches we haven't embroidered yet. Here we have lazy daisy stitch and fern stitch. And here is the fishbone stitch. There is also buttonhole stitch. Also the basket weave stitch and satin stitch below. Let's demonstrate it. First, use 3 strands of floss, color number 8, to stitch buttonhole stitch. Bring the needle through at this position. Then bring the needle down here below. Be careful not to pull the floss tight. Leave a little on the fabric. Bring the needle through at the top position. Pull the floss upward. Form a buttonhole. We will follow this procedure along the line's path. Complete the remaining pattern. This stitch is explained in detail in tutorial video 02. You can go learn and understand. Deepen the impression of the stitches. Bring the needle down close to the outer outline. Let's take another look at this stitch. We are using the fishbone stitch. We are using 3 strands of floss, color number 9, for the embroidery. We bring the needle through at the top position. Bring the needle down 1 small stitch. Bring the needle through to the left of it. Bring the needle down to the right of the center line. Similarly, bring the needle through to the right. Bring the needle through to the right side of its center line. We will follow this step. Complete the remaining part with embroidery. When stitching, keep it close to the previous stitch. This way, the stitches will be tight and beautiful. The steps for this small leaf are the same as the steps for the previous leaves. We can follow the same method to operate. Bring the needle down for the last stitch. Let's take a look at the finished result. Next, we will demonstrate the fern stitch. We will use 3 strands of floss, color number 6, for the embroidery. First, bring the needle through at this position on top. Bring the needle down at the center point. Bring the needle through to the left of it. Similarly, bring the needle down at the center point. The same operation here. Bring the needle down at the center point. We will follow this procedure. Follow the line's path. Complete the remaining parts of the design. Let's take a look at the finished result. Next, let's stitch this lazy daisy stitch. We will use color number 3 with 3 strands of floss for the embroidery. Bring the needle down at the adjacent position. Bring the needle through at the top of the leaf. Bring the needle down at its outer outline. We will follow this procedure. Complete the remaining pattern. Bring the needle down at this position for the last stitch. Next, use the stem stitch to embroider the middle branch. Bring the needle through at this position on the bottom. Bring the needle through 1 stitch forward. Leave a small embroidery loop. Bring the needle through at the center position. Bring the needle down for the last stitch. This lazy daisy stitch is complete. Next, we will stitch this part. It uses the basket weave stitch and satin stitch methods. Let's demonstrate it. We are using 4 strands of floss, color number 10, for the embroidery. We bring the needle through at this position. First, we will stitch this side with satin stitch. The stitches between the lines should be close together. No gaps. We will follow this operation. Complete the remaining part of the embroidery. Bring the needle down for the last stitch here. Then, use 4 strands of floss, color number 6, to thread it. Bring the needle through at the left position. Bring the floss through the satin stitch. Pull the floss out. Finally, bring the needle down here. Bring the needle down for the last stitch here. The basket weave stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished effect of the flower pot embroidery. Next, we will stitch the final pattern. Use 4 strands of floss, color number 10 for embroidery. Bring the needle down for the last stitch here. Let's take a look at the finished result. These 3 pieces have been demonstrated. Thank you for watching.